Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. I'm creating premium WordPress plugins and selling them online on CodeCanyon. So if you want to learn how to create an online business by not only using my plugins but by using many features that are available online, and you wish to learn how to create an online business using any of these features that are available, then you should check my membership site coderevolution.ru and click members and member only content. These are premium articles that I wrote that you can access if you pay a small fee. So the fee is so small that is $6 per month. So this is really almost nothing for the value I provide with this content. You can also choose the $16 per 3 months or $60 12 months. So let us check what content do I provide in the member only part of my website. How to get free and unique content for your website. Three steps to build authority sites. 31-day workaholic challenge. How to turn your internet marketing business into a real and official business. What every entrepreneur needs to know about tax deductions. And there are many interesting articles here. List of resources to develop your passive income niche websites. And there are 40 plus articles right now, and I am releasing new premium articles, member only articles weekly. So one or more articles are released each week. High page rank do follow backlink list. How to get high page rank do follow backlinks to your website. Load time for your website, how to improve it. Online income generation methods. How to get a successful blog. 23 tips to make your business, to take your business to the next level. How to keep the kids busy while working from home. Internet home business ideas part 1 and 2. How to successfully brand your freelance business. Keyword analysis. Ideas for WordPress plugins. Learn from people who done it right. Paid ways to promote your WordPress. Free ways to promote your WordPress plugins. And these are also online businesses, so you can substitute your WordPress plugins with your online businesses. Tips for creating good plugins. Professional WordPress plugin development strategies. And this is the end because there are 40 posts right now here on my member only content blog. I can show you how this looks like when you click on one. So let's click on this. You will be redirected to the membership sign up page. So you can sign up using any of these variants and sign up for membership to my site. Afterwards, you will get access to the whole membership content, and you will be able to also have access to some perks, because not only the member only content will be unlocked for you, but you will be also get previews and member only copies of premium plugins, exceptional in-depth tutorials for plugin development, and plugin code reviews. You can, if you are creating premium WordPress plugins, you can send them to me and I will review your plugins. So if you are a member, this content will be unlocked, and a form will show here, which will allow you to send your plugin to me, and I will review it and make sure that it will be accepted to CodeCanyon. So I know each and every mistakes then that can cause your plugins to be rejected on CodeCanyon, and if you wish to publish your content and plugins to CodeCanyon, you can submit it to me and I will make a quick review and tell you where are the issues and how to fix them maybe. Okay. So it is really a good way to boost your online business, especially if you create WordPress plugins, but also if you want to learn how to earn a passive income online and how to boost your online business today. Also, you will get access to these premium plugins that are not on CodeCanyon. These are member-only plugins. These are very small plugins I created only for members. So this will be accessible only for members that sign up to this page. Okay, so yeah, after you signed up, you can log in here and check your member dashboard here. Okay, so this is all for now. I hope you will enjoy the premium content. If you don't want to dive into this premium content from the start, you can also check my blog, which is here. The structure of the blog is similar to the premium content articles. However, these are free and you can read them right now. So if you don't want to dive into the premium content, check out the free content from my blog first, and then if you want, check also the premium content from the member-only part of the website. Okay, so this is all for now. If you enjoyed this content and want to get more of it, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit that like button for this video. And until next time, have a great day. Bye bye.